Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and in this series, we are learning functions. We already done two questions of composition of functions, and here third question. So here we already done when given two functions and how to compose it. We know that, but here we will learn a composition of three functions. So here same thing, but little bit different. Here two functions given f and g, but now f, g, and h function. This third one, and then we can composite f o g o h x. This one we can write f, then g, then h x. So inside hx function, then ghx, then fghx. Okay. So here given question, find FOGH if fx is given this, gx and hx. So our function, composite function is this. We apply here definition of composite function. So f, g and h x. Okay. So here f, then g. Now what is hx value? Hx is x plus 3. So can we write x plus 3? Very simple. Okay. Just we replaced hx value. Hx is x plus 3. Now what is gx here? Gx is x to the power 10. But here gx plus 3. Like here gx is given x to the power 10. So x substitute x plus 3. So x plus 3. So here x plus 3 to the power 10. Okay. So x plus 3 to the power 10. Okay. Gx plus 3, x plus 3 to the power 10. Now fx is x upon x plus 1. Okay. Like here fx is x upon x plus 1. So here says f x plus 3 to the power 10. It means this x value we can replace with this x plus 3 to the power 10. Okay. So here x plus 3 to the power 10, here x plus 3 to the power 10 plus 1. Okay. So x plus 3 to the power 10, x plus 3 to the power 10 plus 1. This is the answer for FGH composite function. So very simple for three functions also. No difference. Just apply this by the definition of composition of functions. So really easy. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.